Do I really have to pay 42 or 45% taxes in Germany? Yeah, this is a big question a lot of our international clients are asking because they are very surprised that we have so high tax rates. But is it really the thing or is it a little bit different? So let's dive into it. First of all, no. Not everyone has to pay the 42 or the 45%. Some of them are way below because a lot of, and this is up to 50% of all the taxpayers in Germany didn't even pay taxes. Yeah, that's the hard thing because they are so deep with their taxable income that they don't even pay taxes. And this is up to 30,000 euros. You don't even have to pay taxes because it's a tax-free allowance, there's a deductions of insurances and something like this, and then you're no income payment here. But for the 42 and 45%, they are at the top margin. They are the top margin rates, and this is the thing that we have a progression system in Germany. That means with every euro you earn, the more you pay. And with around about 60 to 80,000 euro, you have to pay 42% on the next euro you earn. That doesn't mean you have to pay it on your whole income. It's not like a flat tax or something like this. No, it's on the next euro you earn. And then at the peak, at around about 280,000 euros, you have a spike up to 45. That means every next euro will be taxed with 45%. Then, very important, that is already the solidarity surcharge. That means there is an annual tax up to 50% possible in Germany. If you have church tax already, then it's a little bit more sometimes. But there's a big difference between the marginal tax and the average tax. The marginal tax, it's called the Grenzsteuersatz. It's the next euro you earn. That's what I told before. There you pay 45 or 42%. But the old euros, they are before, are with a lower income rate, tax rate. The average rate might be lower. For example, you have, for example, a marginal tax rate with round about, let's say, 40%. But in a case, your average tax rate is, for example, at 33%. Because the old euros are not that high taxed as the new euros. So who pays it? It's just high earners only. It's executive specialist business owners. A very limited population that's up to 5% of 1 to 5% of the whole income tax payers in Germany. So the most of them doesn't even have to pay it. So just don't think about this. But with all the solidarity surcharges and social security and something like this, it's also very heavy for the employers who have around about 40% that's get away from their income, monthly income. So let's just say Germany is not a tax paradise. It's more like tax hell.